Hi, my name is Raymond Woods from Sherwood Manufacturing. I'm the Vice President here at our company. Today I'm going to show you how to actually weld a mounting block onto a steel fixture. We're first going to start with an actual 36003. This is a pusher style clamp. It has a rubber on the end and it also has a mounting block. What we're going to do is we're going to apply this to the fixture. The very first thing we would do is we take our part and we of course put it in our fixture and put it in position. Now then we're going to take our clamp and we're going to orientate it, try to make it as straight as possible. Take our vice grip. We're going to apply our vice grip. By just screwing this out, getting it to the spot that we want, we'll take our 1/2 inch wrench, tighten it up. Next, we're going to take a vertical handle toggle clamp with a rubber and a knob and a mounting block, and we're going to take and put it in position. Now, we have to raise this off the fixture, and how we do that, simply, we just cut us a tube, very simple tube, 1.5 by 2 tube. What we'll do is we'll grab our part and we'll put it in the fixture, in position. The next thing I'll do is I'll grab just a piece of scrap for a shim, so we can set that in position also. We'll take our tube, put it up on the fixture, center it as best we can. We'll take our clamp, and we're going to put our mounting block right up on the top of the actual tube. We'll take our clamp, then we're going to take and clamp this down, take out our shim, and then we're ready to weld this. We're going to do 4 welds down on the bottom of the tube, connecting the tube to the fixture, and then we're going to do 4 little small tacks right up around the corners here, and we're going to connect the mounting block to the tube. As you notice, we don't need any wrenches. Next, we're going to show you how to remove a clamp very quickly. It's just 4 bolts off, and then the clamp will come off. First, I like to take pressure off of the clamp. The next, I like to get a cordless screwdriver with a long Allen wrench on it. And that's how fast you can remove a clamp. If you're going to store your fixture, you can always put your bolts, put them right back in your mounting block. If you want to make it easier to make welding fixtures, go to our website, shop online. Once again, I'm Raymond Woods. Thanks again for watching our YouTube video.